In this video, we'll be showing you how to connect a pair of AirPods to your iPhone. The first step is to make sure that your iPhone is unlocked and turned on. Then, you will open your AirPod case next to your iPhone. However, I would recommend making sure that your AirPods are charged before doing so. If they're charged, then your iPhone will have a prompt that pops up on the screen, asking if you would like to connect. Press the connect button and then it will walk you through the pairing process. On the back of your AirPods case, there's a small round button in the middle of it. You're going to press and hold that small button until you see the prompt on your iPhone change. And after waiting a little while, you can see that our iPhone is now telling us that it's in the process of connecting to the AirPods. It is almost done here and it is finished up. Now that it's connected, it's going to display the battery percentages for both the earbuds and the case as well. Your AirPods are now connected to your iPhone. If at any time you would like to disconnect them, you can simply open up your Bluetooth settings and then either disconnect or turn off your Bluetooth altogether. And that is how you connect AirPods to an iPhone. Thanks for watching.